We now move from discussing how to observe thinking to the actual observation of thinking. We have said how the observation of thinking is a two-step process. We produce thinking first, then we contemplate it. It is important to produce our own thoughts or make the thoughts of others our own by rethinking them. When we think, we know the thought processes we produce more directly and more intimately than any other process in the world. When we produce our own line of thought, we know the characteristic features of its course and the details of how it occurred. We know the connections between the different concepts. We understand the context that our thoughts are placed in. The reason we become so convinced of our ideas is that we see the details, context, and connections. We immediately grasp our own insights, but this is not the case with other things. The concept is essentially different than all other observable objects. When we observe other things, we at first do not know the factually corresponding connections and interrelationships of the objects. For example, when I observe the flash of light from a bolt of lightning, followed by the crack of thunder, this alone does not tell me how or if the events are related. From the phenomena alone, I do not know why my observation of thunder follows my observation of lightning. But my thinking does know the relationship between the concept of thunder and the concept of lightning. It is clear to me through the content of the concepts that thunder follows lightning. If my concepts do not explain why thunder follows lightning, I can increase the content of my conceptual knowledge by learning more.
What the heck is thunder? Thunder and lightning go together like peanut butter and jelly, and by that I mean always. Who would eat a jelly-only sandwich? The sound you hear, thunder, is air rapidly expanding around a bolt or the light you see. Yup, lightning is literally ripping through the air so aggressively that you can hear the thunder boom from miles away.
Or perhaps I have formed the incorrect concepts of what causes thunder. For now, this is beside the point. The point is that the connection between my concepts, correct or not, is clear to me through the concepts themselves. Because concepts are transparent and clear, we know their content and their connections. When we produce thinking, we know our thinking processes more intimately than any other process in the world.